so I wanted to be transparent with you all and share my story. A lot of you would have seen the video that I made about vertigo while I was in Mexico at Miss Universe, and vertigo is a condition where it feels like you are dizzy and there is a sense of the world spinning around you. And now, as you all know, that your balance lies in your ears, so when you have a hearing impairment, there is a high chance of you having vertigo, and it's very intense and very pronounced, which can also cause major issues with your balance. And when you have these issues with vertigo and balance, it really means that firstly you need to be strong in order to be able to combat it and to fight it. And mentally I was very strong, I was ready, but physically my body just was taking a lot of strain. And I even had to seek medical help in Mexico City, and even after the medical help, my condition still wasn't improving. On the night of the preliminary competition, I continued to push myself, and I was ready in my national costume to showcase it proudly. But my body was just saying no, and my vertigo intensified and became unmanageable. As we waited backstage, I fell repeatedly, and I was not able to get up and feel secure standing without support. After conversations with the production personnel, I did not feel I was in a position to safely walk on stage. I had to very quickly realize and be at peace with the fact that this was not the road that was meant for me. I am deeply grateful to the Miss South Africa organization for their support and for empowering me with the choice to step away. It was not easy, as I was not doing this just for myself, but for all of you South Africa, and for every single person who have thought they could never be on a platform like this. Following the prelims, I went to see a specialist in Mexico, and I'm already doing so much better. But I am proud to be differently abled, and it is not enough to just open doors, but we need to have systems in place in order to foster true inclusivity. I hope this experience can help to educate the world of pageantry and beyond. I will continue to serve as your Miss South Africa, to support and uplift those who come after me with my unbreakable spirit, and an exciting year ahead. I will keep fighting for myself and for everyone with dreams and passions who lack the system to achieve them. Together, we can create new standards and new norms. And I am so proud to still be your Miss South Africa.
So yun po ang naging pahayag ni Miss Universe 2024 South Africa kung bakit hindi sila nakasali ngayong taon dito sa Miss Universe. Actually, nakarating po siya sa Mexico, but unfortunately, along the way is meron pong health condition na kinaharap itong pambato ng South Africa. So, pinag-usapan po natin ito mga kapolitika, kasi ang South Africa is isang powerhouse na bansa. At talagang in the last 10 years ay 2 corona po ang nasungkit ng South Africa. At nakapanginayang kasi lately lang is parang hindi na gaano napapansin itong South Africa. Unlike talaga sa Pilipinas na talagang laging bantay sarado ng mga pageant expert mula sa ibang bansa. But ang South Africa is parang tumamlay sila. Meron ngang issue na kumakalat dati na kung saan itong si Miss South Africa daw ay nadidemotivate dito sa patakaran ng Miss Universe. At the same time, yung wala daw siya sa mga press release, sa mga paborito at yung hot picks, at hindi niya daw nagustuhan itong treatment ng Miss Universe sa kanya, na parang gusto daw siyang ilaglag. Isa pa naman silang powerhouse na bansa. Okay, but ngayon is mabuti na nagkaroon ng clarification dito sa condition ni South Africa, bakit hindi talaga siya nakasali dito sa kompetisyon ng Miss Universe 2024. And mga kapolitika, usap-usapan mo pala ngayon online itong si Chavit Singson, kasi after nung resulta ng Miss Universe, hindi nagustuhan yung production, at the same time yung mga nanalo, yung setup, yung effects, yung entire ng Miss Universe ay hindi nagustuhan ng mga netizen, at itong si Boy Abunda ay napakomment rin na kulang daw sa kinang itong Miss Universe 2024. So ngayon ay malakas ang mga panawagan na dapat isbilhin na lang daw ni Chavit Singson itong Miss Universe para maibalik yung glory ng Miss Universe, or yung kinang ng Miss Universe, yung production niya, at the same time yung mga nanalo na dapat is deserved. So parang nawawala na yun ngayon sa aspeto ng Miss Universe, na kung saan ay parang naging business na lang po ito. Okay, kumbaga pera-pera lang usapan dito sa Miss Universe. So ang panawagan ngayon ng mga tao ay sana ay bilhin na ni Chavit Singson itong Miss Universe. At ano ba yung ating opinion dito mga kapolitika? Para sa akin ay hindi tayo payag na bilhin ni Sir Chavit Singson itong Miss Universe kasi baka magkakaroon ng kulay yan at mabibigyan ng ng mali siya ng ibang bansa, especially itong mga kapitbahay natin dito sa Asia, kasi baka ano yung sasabihin nila kung binili ni Sir Chavit itong beauty contest. So, basically ay disagree po tayo dito sa mga panawagan ng netizen. Siguro yung ating opinion lang ay dapat na bumalik na sa kamay ng mga Amerikano itong Miss Universe, katulad doon kay Donald Trump, kasi parang nabibigyan pa ng hustisya yung production. At the same time yung mga nanalo, just like nung time ni Venus Ra. So basically ang gusto natin ay maibalik ito sa Amerikano at mawala dito sa mga kamay ni Anja Karahatatip. Kasi kahit dati mga kapolitika na hindi tayo sponsor, wala tayong backer dito sa Miss Universe, ay nakapasok naman tayo. Unlike ngayon na talagang politika at pera-pera lang talaga ang galawan dito sa Miss Universe. Marumi na po ngayon ang galawan dito sa kailang beauty contest. Unlike talaga dati kay Trump na kung saan ay nakapasok pa tayo sa top 5. But ngayon parang malabo na nga pong mangyari yun. Okay? So, yun po ang ating update ngayon at yung mga pinag-uusapan ngayon online. Ano ang yung masasabi dito sa kung saan balibalita na bibilhin umano ni Chavit Singson itong Miss Universe? Agree ba kayo mga kapolitika? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.